Right then, welcome to Happy Hungry Hibby. Yes, that's me. And also, one moment. And also welcome to Happy Harvey Hibby as well. Yes, little Harvey here, 8 months old now, and is a very good boy. Yes, he's a very good boy. He's just sunbathing at the moment. So yes, this week what I want to cover is an absolutely amazing recipe from the new Ottolenghi Comfort Cookbook. And it is going to be this recipe here, which is going to be an on-take of spaghetti with a miso, butter, shiitake and spinach. I'm going to adapt this slightly. Really don't need to use as much oil. We're going to exclude obviously the butter, and I'm just going to use some of my own ingredients and enhance it with a real umami hit. So yes, of course you need pasta. I'm just going to use spaghetti here, then of course mushrooms. Now what I'm using is the pink oyster mushrooms, which I've actually grown myself. Please do check out that video where I've shown you how to grow these using the Cali Brothers special grow your own kit. And then I'm also using some spinach, and this is frozen baby leaf spinach, a couple of shallots, some garlic, and then I'm using some of this absolutely amazing essential cuisine mushroom glass, which is absolutely superb. So it's a little sample pot here just to apply. This gives it a really rich umami hit, and is actually uses just wild mushrooms, the porcini mushroom, which is classed as a wild mushroom. And then you can use miso, a choice of your own. I've actually got the white and the red. I'm actually going to use some of the white just because it's a little bit more delicate, not as strong. Interesting ingredients, you can actually use some Japanese vinegar, but instead I'm using the malt vinegar, which is an alternative given by the book. And then, yes, a little secret ingredient, I'm using the shiokoji, which is a liquid rice ferment, and it's actually made using rice, water, salt and alcohol. So this is really good. I'm also using some less salt soy sauce. And finally, to season, I'm using this sashimi taragashi, which is a little secret ingredient, superb as a garnish and a flavour bomb. Now yes, this does contain sesame seeds, so it is an allergen in this. Alternatively, you can use just some chili flakes. So as it's autumn, I'm wearing my autumnal sort of outfit. So let's get going. Voila! Right, so here it is, all ready. Smells absolutely wonderful, really nice. There's only one way to find out if it is good, and it's Saturday night, so a glass of white wine. Ooh. Beautiful. Oyster mushroom. Quite hot this. Wow. That's incredible. That's really nice. Talk about comfort food, it's just so autumnal. The texture's really nice. And that umami hit is incredible. Really kind of like meaty. That's absolutely incredible. Yeah, the mushroom glass, the miso just complements it so well. This is really good. I can't wait for my wife to come home, have a nice bowl plated up ready for her. She's had a long day at work. So, really hope you enjoyed this show. Please do put your comments below. It'd be really interesting to see what your favourite mushroom dish is, or your mushroom pasta, comfort food as well. I'm really looking forward to covering more recipes from the Ottolenghi Comfort Cookbook, and also as we're entering autumn and coming into winter, it's going to be quite fitting, really. Also, please do subscribe. Lots of love and passion going into this, and also turn on those notifications. Bing! Every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4:30. So, a goodbye from me and a goodbye from Harvey. Enjoy. Mm, mm, mm.